everybody, this is Brennan Henderson. Welcome back to Brennan's Flight Factor. Seems like it's been a while. I haven't done any airplane stuff much in a while. I've been busy with school and college. I'm down to my last semester now, spring semester coming up. I'll be graduating in May of 2026. It's pretty crazy how close that is now. But I made it halfway through so far with my senior year. Today I'm going to be going to Springfield-Branson National Airport to the terminal to do some more plane spotting for once. I feel like I haven't done that this year, quite frankly. For BFF, that is. But here I am now going to do it. It'll be nice to do that again. There's going to be an Allegiant 737 MAX flying in pretty soon. So I'll be able to capture that, and I guess a couple other regional jets that are normal to spot at the airport. So as for my UPS cargo job, I'm still doing well with that. Still receiving a lot of planes and a lot of cargo. So especially with Christmas time, it's peak season right now. So we've gotten a lot of packages, but that comes with Christmas. And Merry Christmas to all of you guys. It's amazing that it's that time of year again. Although, this Christmas, it's warm. Like, warm. It's going to be in the 70s tomorrow, Christmas Day, and it's in the 70s right now, Christmas Eve. It's pretty amazing. I haven't seen temperatures this warm here during Christmas time since, I think, 2021. So, it's been a while. But yeah, so here's the Brennan's Flight Fact for today. On October 23rd, 2024, the Allegiant Boeing 737 MAX 8-200 flew in and out of Springfield-Branson National Airport for the very first time. All right, now, without further ado, flights, camera, action. Here we go. There's that Allegiant 737 MAX. Whew, that was quite the event. There was a lot of planes sitting there. And we also got to see that Allegiant 737 MAX. We saw it arrive in from Orlando, Florida. That's where it's from. It's pretty amazing that Allegiant operates those, in my view. That's still amazing to me. I still remember when they made their order for the first time for the MAX. I was like, whoa. Yeah, that I did not have that on my bingo card, so to speak. So, yeah. We also got to see a few American Eagle E175s. Actually, one of them was I think a 170. Two of them were 175s. We also got to see a United E175 and also a United E145. So that was pretty cool as well. There's not really that much happening at the moment, so, and due to time restraints, I'm gonna head out now, but at least we got to see what we saw, so it was another good day for spotting, too. It felt amazing outside, even though it was a little windy, but yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please give a like, please subscribe, and please share. That could help me out. And I will see you in the next episode. Bye!